OSG is the world's largest manufacturer of round cutting tools, with top global market share in taps, drills, and end mills. We have a global workforce of approximately 6,000 employees. With a production, sales, and technical network spanning more than 30 countries, OSG provides high-performance products and technical support optimized for individual market needs. OSG is our company name and trademark. O stands for Osawa, the last name of our founder. S stands for screw, and G for grinding. OSG Grinding Company was founded in 1938. In 1963, our company name was changed to OSG Corporation. In 1968, we established our first overseas subsidiary in the United States. In 1974, a new location was added to Brazil to service the South American market. In 1990, we added a new Southeast Asia headquarters in Singapore, followed by a Europe headquarters in Belgium in 1997. In 2001, we expanded our market to China. In 2018, OSG celebrated its 80th anniversary. OSG products are produced in-house, from the production of tool material, creation of tool geometry, to the development of its own proprietary coatings, which are the three vital elements in the manufacturing of superior cutting tools. Taps are used to cut screw threads on the internal surfaces of holes. OSG has been manufacturing taps since its founding and currently holds the world's largest market share. Our taps are engineered to guarantee high-precision internal threads to fulfill safety requirements. Drills are used to make holes in a wide range of surfaces. OSG has received high acclaim for the development of efficient drilling products with advanced processing techniques and zero margin of error. End mills are used to form shapes in metal. They are used in the manufacturing of various industrial products, such as automotive parts and mold production. To meet today's demanding requirements, OSG has developed a variety of end mills that are excellent in both processing accuracy and durability. Thread rolling dies are used to copy threads onto screws. The process consists of rolling a metal bar between two thread rolling dies tightly pressed against each side. OSG offers a variety of thread rolling products with a high level of precision and efficiency to help manufacturers maximize productivity in mass production environments. Indexable tools are tools with replaceable cutting inserts. They are primarily used for rough processing of metals. Since the cutting inserts can be replaced when they become damaged or worn, indexable tools are very economical and environmentally friendly. OSG products contribute to an array of manufacturing industries to drive better results. OSG continues to answer the automotive industry's ever-changing needs through vast product lineup and tailored customer support. With the ability to develop our own coating and tool geometry, OSG offers products optimized for the processing of difficult-to-machine materials, such as composites, which are commonly used in the aerospace industry. For the die and mold industry, OSG supplies end mills with a wide variety of size variations and unrivaled quality, even for the most complicated production. OSG also supports power generation metal cutting of large parts and difficult-to-machine materials with precision cutting tools and optimal solutions. In heavy industry, we offer large diameter tooling and a broad product lineup for the machining of big components. With locations in more than 30 countries, OSG has established a stable and efficient product supply system for the manufacturing industry worldwide. OSG's headquarters is located in Toyokawa City in Aichi Prefecture, which is also home to many automotive and aerospace manufacturers. Near the headquarters is our Yana factory, which is the largest tap manufacturing plant in the world. Next is the Oike factory, where our carbide drills and carbide end mills are produced. These facilities are equipped with some of the latest equipment for production, inspection, and testing to supply high-quality products to the world of manufacturing. OSG maintains absolute control over every aspect of our manufacturing capabilities to guarantee product quality. Additionally, we have integrated sustainability into various aspects of our operations to ensure an environmentally friendly, healthy, and safe management system. In addition to Japan, OSG has established technical support centers in 7 countries, including Germany and Mexico. Customer communication is at the heart of the OSG brand. We anticipate, listen, and actively react to customers' needs through on-site face-to-face support. OSG will continue to support the global manufacturing industries with new innovations. We will continue to challenge the status quo and commit ourselves to transforming each and every one of our customers' dreams into reality.